Hey everyone, I am going to do a quick organization of our kitchen drawers today. I like to do this about once a quarter just so I can clean out all the dirty drawers, get rid of old utensils that we won't use, and just reorganize and make everything look great. We don't have that many drawers in our kitchen, so it's not that big of a project, but I thought I could share the process with you and maybe you could get a little inspiration for your own drawers. And I recently ordered these bamboo drawer organizers on Amazon. They're a variety of sizes and they're really nice and pretty. So I got those and that inspired me to do the drawer clean out. So the first thing I do is take everything out of the drawers and then I take a microfiber rag and wipe out any spills or sticky stuff or anything like that. And then I also wipe all the crumbs to one edge of the drawer, and then I'm gonna get my vacuum and vacuum out all the crumbs and stuff. So this in itself is a bit of a process. You can see how nasty the drawers get in just short periods of time. You know, that sort of stuff happens. So I took everything out and I just wanted to show you again kind of the before of the inside and all the crumbs and stuff. And I'm gonna go through all of those utensils and choose the ones that I wanna keep and the few things I might donate or get rid of that we haven't used in forever. So yeah, I just use our all-purpose spray and wipe out the drawers and vacuum them out as well. When I'm going through our utensils deciding which are gonna stay and which aren't, if I haven't used it in the last 6 months, I really look at it and think through all the different situations that I could possibly use it. And if those are just super unlikely, then it's just gotta go. Or if it's gotten pretty like grimy and nasty, then I'm like, you know what? It's gotta go. But whenever I'm going through the utensils too, you'll see like any that are a little bit grimy or anything, I just make sure that I wipe them off before I organize them. And also, I wanted to show you guys this process because when I'm organizing, not everything goes exactly where I put it the first time. You'll see later that I did this drawer once with all of our utensils, and then I decided to use one more of the bamboo organizers in there, so I had to redo it later on. So here's our silverware drawer all organized, and then here's the other drawer organized for now. This will change. You can also see in this drawer my husband put that little piece of wood down the middle, which is really nice as a homemade separator. I really like it because this is the drawer that I put our most used utensils in, so all of our knives and then steak knives and then tongs and a couple pairs of scissors and a potato peeler. And that little piece of wood down the middle just really easily keeps them all separated. If you have an old Tupperware that you've lost the lid to, that can work really well as an organizer as well. As you can see, I put all of our koozies in that one. And honestly, before I got those bamboo ones, that's pretty much what I used for everything. And here you can see the finished product with these drawers. I'll put some rags in this corner. I thought that was a little piece of dirt, but it was just a nick in the drawer. Yeah. Okay, and then here's where I had one more drawer organizer left, so I decided to redo this drawer a little bit. And I added the new drawer organizer and then kind of took everything out and fit it in where it fit best. And I decided to put my little immersion blender in with my other blender instead. You can kind of just see me working through these fit issues, which can happen when you're organizing. You don't have to get it all perfect right away. Just rework things until it becomes the most functional version. And sometimes it takes a few times or two. And then here's the final finished product of this drawer.
Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were inspired to organize something today, even if it's just a few drawers. If you just spend a few minutes every day, before you know it, your whole house is gonna be organized. So hopefully you got a few tips today. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please, 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 as always, hit that red subscribe button to support my channel. Thanks again. Happy organizing!